So we can do some more standing poses with the chair as our helper. So for instance, you can do a twist using the chair. So I'm not going to mirror you here because it'll get too confusing. I'm putting my left hand on the chair, and then I am taking my right foot and putting it up on the chair, and I'm opening up over the right leg. So my hand is keeping me from falling, but I'm not staying in that twist yet. Again, this idea of doing a little bit of pumping or pulsing to get your body to release when it's in a contracted state. Again, if I stayed there without this little bit of inching it over. And some of you might want to try doing a little bit of arm work with this. You can open up the arm. I'm keeping my elbow bent to keep my shoulder safe. If you don't have any shoulder issues, you can straighten the arm if that feels good. And then let's go the other direction. Now I definitely bend it when I come from the back, because that's when a lot of times you can torque your arm. Nice. Let's go ahead and go to the other side. So to go to the other side, I'm actually going to shift completely to the other side. This time I'm putting my left leg up. My right arm is on there. I'm opening up and closing, opening and closing. And sometimes you will get a little pinching, because if you've been sitting a lot, you might be in a slightly contracted place in part of your body. So when that happens to me, because I felt like I twisted a little too far at the beginning, I tend to try to rub those areas out as I'm doing it. Now we can add a little bit of arm to it by gently circling. And you see how my head is following also? And then we can go the opposite direction. And so I'm going to bend my arm from the back, almost like you're doing a crawl. So imagine you're a swimmer. You're doing the crawl. I guess they don't call it the crawl anymore. It's called freestyle. All right, and how are you feeling? Everybody feeling okay?